Hello, beautiful fashion lovers. Welcome back to another beautiful episode on this house of fashion. Thank you for joining us on another episode. Hope you're all good and hope you're all staying safe. Today, I'll be taking you through some lovely and beautiful lace gown styles. And some of these styles are just for lovely and beautiful ladies that they can rock to any Owambe party or any occasion of your choice. So I'll be leaving you to watch all these beautiful and lovely outfits to the end. And if you are just joining for the first time, I welcome you to this house of fashion, and on this YouTube channel we bring you latest and update on beautiful African fashion design outfits. So it's good to have you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this collection a thumbs up. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's good to have you back. I want you all to watch all these beautiful outfits to the end so that you can add one of these beautiful styles to your wardrobe. So sit back and watch them to the end. it's been a lovely time with you guys, and I hope you've seen one lovely outfit that you would like to add to your wardrobe. And some of this style will be taking you on our cut and sew episode, because we used to teach on how to cut and sew on this YouTube channel. So we'll be taking one of these beautiful style that you've seen on our cut and sew episode, and we've done so many tutorials on how to cut and sew. For those that want to learn how to sew, you are at the right place to be. You are on this house of fashion, and we'll be bringing you back to back updates on beautiful style and lovely outfits. So that's why you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be bringing you more lovely video on this YouTube channel. And for those that have already subscribed, I really want to appreciate you all for always tuning in on our YouTube channel. I hope you all join me in the next episode. So have a beautiful and wonderful time. Bye for now.